Hey guys, it's Kia here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Bantu knot twist out. So this is the finished product of my Bantu knots. How cute are these spiral curls? If you're interested in learning how to create this look, just continue watching. I began with 2 large braids to stretch out my hair. I'm using Bantu leave-in conditioning mist to hydrate my hair before I get started. For the Bantu knots, I'm using Bantu coconut curling cream. Creams are great for twist outs because they don't have a lot of water in them, so you don't have to worry about your hair reverting back to its old curl pattern. To do a Bantu knot, first you need to detangle your hair. The twist better with hair that's detangled. Then I'm going to use some of my coconut curling cream and put it all over the section and twist the entire section of hair. As you're twisting your hair, the twist will begin to form a knot. Now, how you want to do this is you want to twist the knot around the lowest point of the twist, if that makes sense. So I'm just twisting and going around the bottom of the knot. Be sure to do a nice, neat twist all the way onto the ends. And then pin it. Just in case you didn't get that fully, I'm going to do it again. So I'm taking the section and twisting it with my hands. And I'm going to continue to twist. Notice that I'm not starting at the roots because the twist will get tighter as you keep going. So I'm going to twist and wrap this around the knot. So remember, if you want a nice curl, you got to have a nice knot. So take your time with that knot. Now I'm just going to let you watch me do the rest of my hair in these Bantu knots because I know that some of us are visual learners. After you've finished with all of your Bantu knots, you can tie your hair up and go to sleep with it if you don't want to use heat, or you can blow dry them and take them right out. But for me, I'm natural, I'm heatless. Taking out Bantu knots is really simple. All you want to do is remove the pin and twist the knot in the opposite direction that it is already twisted in. If I did that too fast, I'll do it again. Just twist your knot in the opposite direction, and there goes a perfect coil. Coil means curl. Yes, coil. So I'm just going to do that to the rest of my knots. Next, I'm going to separate these, always starting from the roots when separating them to minimize frizz. So take your time and start from the roots, and you can separate your knots as many times as you need to achieve your fullest look. And then now I'm going to style my hair as I would. In this particular case, I think I'm gonna go with this. Okay, so my styling, I'm just gonna twist the top and just secure it with some bobby pins. So this is, okay guys, so this is how it turned out. What do you think? So they're a little bit tight because I just took them out, but I know that these are gonna drop throughout the day. My finished result, I'm very satisfied with it. I really, really love how this turned out. This is a great protective style. I'm sure this will last me for like a week. So get into it, honey. If you really enjoy watching this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you want to interact with me, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Nikia3. I don't have Twitter and I don't have Facebook. Thank you guys for your time. I love you.